Oh my goodness. Good morning. It is currently 6 o'clock. We got up at 3:30, 3:45, and then left around, I don't know, 4:30, 4:45. We just spotted not spotted, I guess we did spot, but spooked a mule deer up there. We're just looking for some camp spots, and the trees, we're not too sure how thick they're gonna get up ahead, so might get a little dicey with the trailer, but we'll make do. Good. There we go. So we made it on top of the ridge. I had some camera problems. I ran out of storage on 2 of my cameras when we were setting up the teepee in our campsite. So I'll show you guys what that looks like when we get back. But we're just up top right now. So lots to glass. We're just sitting up here. Probably be up here for a while just looking around. We saw 3 mule deer does in the bottom, and that's about it. So this is where we have camp. Got a pile of dead stuff over there that we can cut up. That was actually here when we got here, which was nice. And then, like I mentioned earlier, had some camera troubles, but got the wood storage over there, wood stove right here, chimney goes out the top, my bed back there. Dad's, we brought some like blow up air mattresses, sleeping bags, and then these bug nets to keep ticks and stuff off of us. Nice. We put up some wooden sticks, I guess you could call them, to dry out our stuff. And then we got the bug nets up, which are pretty sweet, actually. I guess they're better when you get in them than I thought before. They didn't look too great. But yeah, it's like 3 o'clock. We're gonna lay down for a bit and then go back out. Well, it's currently about 6:12, so 3 hours later after the nap, but we're getting geared up and then we're gonna head up and look around, see if we can see something on top. Up top, looking down into the bottom, there's a creek down there, and I spotted something go down into the creek bottom. And then Dad spotted a beaver with a log I was swimming up and down the creek, so that was pretty cool, but we haven't seen anything come out yet, so we're just posted up here waiting. And we spotted the bear again, what we think is a bear. I'm pretty positive. And then we came back. It's about 9:30.
We're gonna go set up in a different spot to look directly over where that bear was in the creek bottom. Should be able to get a better angle. Toasted.
We're getting ready for bed. It's about 10 o'clock almost. Just having some snacks, winding down, so we'll see you guys in the morning. All right, good morning, everybody. It's about 10 o'clock. We ended up staying in the teepee this morning. The wind was howling pretty good. We had to make sure that the tent didn't go anywhere. So the wind died down, so we're going out now. We cleaned up most of the stuff in the teepee, and we're gonna go check out where the bear was last night and then make a plan and go from there. We made it back to where we spotted the bear last night and the beaver. We're just further down now, so we were probably 300 yards further up this ridge, so we just came down it a little bit, see if we could get a look. But we're down in the bottom right now where we spotted that bear last night. Just looking for some tracks and stuff. There's also beavers and quite a shoot that the beavers come up, go right into the trees. Nice little trail. I guess not the trees, the brush, but this is where we saw the bear last night, so we're just trying to find tracks or sign. Pretty cool beaver dam right here.
All of those lines are the trails from years and years of buffalo, elk, deer, moose, traversing the ridges over and over and over.
Found this natural spring, which is actually in a perfect place because it's the closest source of water we found to where camp's gonna be. So, and then Dad was just saying the only thing, I guess we'll see how late in the year this runs, because that might not be an option during the winter seasons. Taking down camp right now. I kind of forgot to set up a little time lapse of it, but we've kind of been doing it in bits and pieces, so that's why. We're gonna get everything packed up, and then we're just gonna bike out of here super slowly, glass the whole way back to the truck. We didn't see anything this morning. We went down to where the bear was. Didn't see any tracks or anything, so maybe it wasn't a bear, but hopefully we find something on the way back. Just gotta finish packing up camp. Got camp all taken down, and we're about to start the journey out of this place.
Oh my goodness! Get the other one. Nice.
Oh, nice shot. As you guys just saw, Dad and I were getting a little impatient, started whacking some gophers. Dad shot two, I shot two. They're way bigger out here than at my grandparents' house, but it was pretty fun. We shot them from, like 94 to 110 yards maybe, around there. But yeah, so we're just gonna continue on our way out, and that was pretty fun.